Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone's good. I know in my previous video I had talked about doing a video on my Morphe unboxing. I finally broke down and ordered some Morphe products. Not a whole lot, but a few things. So I thought you might like to see what I got. So, yay, it's from Morphe. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's unbox. Morphe continuous setting mist. I've never used this brand in my sample video. I complained about these setting sprays that I had, that they were too thick, too watery. The way I always made me feel like I was sweating instead of the makeup staying. So I hope this is a remedy for that, and this will be great. I hope so. I've never used it, so I'm just trying to get the top off. Let's see what kind of a mist it's got. Oh, I hate to waste, but curiosity. Oh, wow. That was, oh my gosh, that was super light. Oh, I like that. It dried so fast. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna like this one. I'm excited. Let's see what else I got. I'll flip this around again. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I got a small eyeshadow palette. It's called Deep Smoky. I love a smoky eye. So I saw this one, and Morphe had such a fantastic sale going on. I ordered this. So let's take a look at this one. Look at this packaging. It's just sleek. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Wow. Can you see these? Flash, smoky, and darkness. Oh my gosh. These are fantastic. Look at that flash. It has like such a glitter look to it. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try these. I hate to even dabble into them because they're so perfect as they are. That was the 3A Deep Smoky palette. I think this one was on sale for like, I want to say $6. Oh my gosh. And this was only $9 for this big bottle. This is a big bottle. $9. I don't think anything's on sale anymore. I think they were having a sale yesterday where their palettes were 50% off of select palettes. Not any of the ones I ordered tonight or ordered in this, but some of them were. So I think they just have random sales going on, but I got all this for like $30, and that was awesome for Morphe products. Like I said, I don't like to spend a lot of money, but I could not pass this up to try this brand. So I'm super excited to give it a go. This is Morphe's Filter Effect finishing powder. I saw this and thought I might give it a shot. Don't we all want to look perfect? It is a little bit dark, and that's because I don't want to look pasty. I don't think anybody wants to look pasty. So I'm hoping this blends really well. It's got a nice big mirror, and let's see if I can pop this up. I think kind of tricky. The pad is pad's under here. It's got a little Morphe stamp to it. How cute. A little pad. And a little compact. I love this. This is cute. I hope this is good stuff. I said I'm going to use it. And the best of the best. Oh my gosh. My first Morphe palette. Talking 40 artistry palette. Oh my gosh, you just don't even know how excited I am for this. I've got, like I showed you, I have lots of palettes, but none of these big name brand. I think the one I had was easy on the eyes. I believe that was just a Sephora brand. So this is probably going to be my prized possession. This one was only like 12 bucks for this because it was during that sale. So let's open it up. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Can you see all these colors for $12? Oh my god, I'm dying. Look at the... Oh, I gotta take it off. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the sparkle. And the colors. I do wish the colors were on the palette itself, because I always think the colors are so cute, but or the names of the colors are so cute, but I can live with that. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that big mirror. Oh my gosh, don't we all need this? And yes, that is my phone propped up in, yeah, so you're looking at my phone, it's propped up. Okay. Aren't they gorgeous though? I just cannot wait to get into these and give them a try. I'm actually going to get into them tomorrow. So, just wanted to show you my little Morphe purchase. And I hope you got in on that sale and got some of these too. And feel free to share and what you think about their line. Like I said, I've never used Morphe before. So, this is my first try with any of their products. So, let's hope that it's a good buy and that I made a good purchase. I'm super excited. All right, see you next video. Much love. Bye-bye.